Want to follow up with every visitor who hits your funnel? GoHighLevel makes it simple to add a retargeting pixel so you never lose a lead. Here is how. First, go to your ad platform, Facebook, TikTok, or Google, and copy the pixel code they give you. In GoHighLevel, open your funnel, click Settings, and scroll down to the Custom Code area. Paste the pixel code in the header or body section. Now, publish your funnel, then use your ad platform's Pixel Helper tool to confirm it's firing correctly when someone visits the page. Now go back to your ad platform and create audiences from those pixel events. You can run ads to people who visited but didn't book or purchase. And that's it. You've set up a retargeting pixel in GoHighLevel, so every click counts, even if they don't convert to the first time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.